How to convert zip to APK on Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will guide you through on how we can convert zip to APK on Android. So let's go ahead and look out on how we can do so. In order to do so, you may just locate My Files app on your device. Just open up your files and folders and locate the folder that is zipped and you want to convert it into APK. For example, I'm just going ahead and looking for the file that is zipped. For example, this one right here, which is black and white, is a zipped file right here. So in order to convert it into APK, what we're going to do is simply long press on it and we're going to rename the file. Just go ahead and rename. After that, at last, you can find the option called .zip, which is zip. We're just going to simply go ahead and convert it into APK. After that, rename and convert and confirm the change file extension. Just go ahead and change it and that should do it. So that is how you basically convert the file into APK by following those methods. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon